Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we will learn what is toString method and how can we use toString method in Java language. So to learn that, let us start programming. This is our Java project. Within this is source folder and this is Java package. So to know how to create this project and packages, you can watch my previous video. Link is shared in description box. Now right click on this package, go to new and create class, which is our Java class. Here we can give any name to class. I am giving name as student as I want to create one student class. Now don't give .java extension here and click here to include main method in our class and say finish. So this is our Java program and this is main method. Now we want to generate constructor and toString method in our class. So we cannot generate it inside the main method. So we have to come out of the main method. And here first of all we need to initialize our parameters. So for that I am initializing it with integer roll number, then string name, that is name of student, then string department. Here S of string must be capital as Java is case sensitive language. Now we have to generate parameterized constructor. For that we have to press Alt S. Then here we can see generate constructor using fields. Go here and we want all of the three fields. So we have to mark all of the three fields and then say generate. So this is our constructor with parameters. So for detailed information about constructor, that is what is constructor and how can we use it, what are the types, you can watch my previous video. That link is also shared in description box. Now after this we have to generate toString method. For that again we have to press Alt S and here we can see generate toString. Here also we need all of the three fields and say generate. So this is toString method and toString method is used to return representation, string representation of object, and toString method is a method of java.lang.string class, which is we are overriding over here. That is, look here, override. It is overridden method. Now this is the default syntax of toString method. Now to call this method we have to come inside the main method. Here we have to generate constructor, we have to create object of the student class. So for that we will creating student s1 is equals to. Now here we can give any name, but as if we want to add more student we can simply use s1, s2, s3 and so on. So new and press Ctrl space. Here we can see this constructor. Now press enter. And now we have to pass values to this parameters of the constructor. We can see here int roll number, string name, string department. As it is the integer type, so we can simply enter number, say 1. And for name it is string type, so we have to provide it within double quotes. We cannot give string name without double quotes. Now I am giving name as Jenny. Now department is also string type, so we have to provide it within double quotes. We will provide it as computer. Now semicolon. We will add one more student. For that we will generate one more object S2. Now press Ctrl space and enter. Now here number is 2 and name we will give within double quotes for string type. So which is say Kriti. For department again it is in double quotes. So we will give name as music. Now semicolon. Here we want to call main toString method. If it is normal method we can call it as by using s1.method name. But for toString method we have to type it within syso control space, that is system.out.println, which is our output statement. Now here within double quotes we can print anything, so we will simply give student information. And we will use plus operator for concatenation, and here we will call s1 dot toString. Here we can see toString method of student class and enter. And now we will copy paste this again for s2. Simply press Ctrl C by selecting this line and come on the second line and press Ctrl V for paste it. And only difference between these two is here we have to print s2. dot toString. Now save program with Ctrl S, go here and run program, and we can check output from console. So this is the information of first student and this is information of second student, and this is default format of toString method. Now we can also change this format of default format of toString method. So for that, come here. If we don't like this, just change it. Now I don't want it here equal sign, and we want it on new line. Here also we can take this name on new line. N is capital. Again we don't want equal sign, and instead we will use colon because it looks nice. Again department, we want it on new line, and we don't want it this bracket, so cut it. And now save changes by Ctrl S, go here and again run program and come to console. So look, this is information of student 1 and this is information of student 2. So that's how we can use toString method in Java language, and we can even change its default syntax as we required. Okay, so that's all about today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any queries you can ask me through comment box. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.